So what this Asset Explorer will show? It will show like the T code name is, T code is AW01N. What this will do? This will show all asset values. Okay, all asset values and depreciation. Okay, depreciation related depreciation values. Right? Total it will show for one asset. Correct? See, for one vendor, how you can see open items, paid items, cleared items, right? Total items, FBL 1N, FBL 5N for customer, right? For one customer, can you see? Yes. Same way for one asset, I want to see what is happening. Correct? That is a AW01N Asset Explorer. So you can go to AW/n AW01N, that is Asset Explorer. So now here you see my company MSPL asset number 2,10,000. Here there are no values. No values. Why there are no values? Because no postings for the fiscal. We did not buy it. Understand, guys? We have created the master record. Only master record we created. We did not acquire it no? Yet. So to acquire, first you need to create the master record. Yeah. Yeah. See, when I'm buying the building, what is the entry? Logically, what is the entry? Asset
Billing
account
account
should be
debit
debited and bank
bank
account or whatever is credited, right? I'm buying the building, right? So when I'm saying when I'm buying the building, system will ask what it will ask. It will ask which asset, Then I should select the master record. So first, if I create the building, if I create a building one, first master record I can create. Then I can say I am buying this building. Correct? No? So first, before you can acquire the asset, you need to create the master record for it. Is that clear? Yeah. See, I am saying I want to buy from a vendor. Which vendor? First, it will ask the vendor. Vendor master should be created. Then you can do the transaction with the vendor. So here also, first, if you want to buy an asset, first you need to create the asset master. Correct? Then you can pick the asset master. Then you can post it. Okay, so that is what we have done. So asset master is already created. So now what I am doing, right? Note on acquisition of asset, yeah, acquisition of asset directly without vendor. Okay, so I'm not buying on credit with vendor because I am buying directly for cash. No? Understand? Without vendor, I am buying acquisition of asset directly without vendor. Yeah. Yeah. So the T code is F-02. You can acquire like this. Okay. Yeah. Right. So I am acquiring directly. So I will buy the asset, pay from the bank account. No vendor business. Yeah. Okay. So I go, I buy like cash purchase. Yeah. I buy, I bring it. So now let me go. So I am going to /n. So direct, no credit purchase, direct purchase. So /n F-02. I go. Okay, so now here I'll give the date today, 19th. I am giving. And then here I am giving my debit the asset. Yeah, note down this. 70. 70 is debit asset. 75 is credit asset. 70 is debit asset. 75 is credit asset. 70 is debit asset. 75 is credit asset. So here, what should I give you? Tell me, guys. What should I do? I want to
70.
70, correct, 70. Right? You know now posting keys. Yeah. What is debit GL?
40.
40. Credit GL?
50.
50.
Debit vendor?
25.
Credit
5.
vendor?
31.
Debit customer?
01.
01. Credit customer?
15.
15. Yeah, right? Yeah, debit GL 40, credit GL 50, debit vendor 25, credit vendor 31, debit customer 01, credit customer 15, debit asset 70, credit asset 70. Okay, right. So now there are many posting keys. No? All you don't have to remember, but these you have to remember. Okay, now let's go. So I'm giving 70. 70 which asset? Just 1 minute. Some people have raised hands. 1 minute. Okay. Just let me unmute them. Yeah. Right. So now. Okay. So now what I do? 70. Which asset I am buying now?
Sir, company code here is different, sir.
Company code. Yeah. ZAPL. Na? Yeah. Correct. ZAPL. Now here I'm going to buy the asset now. Yeah. Okay. Drop down. Drop down. And here it will show me where is my asset which I created.
ZAPL.
Last one.
Last one.
Correct. This is the asset master I purchased. Okay. Now what is this? Yeah. So my transaction type, I am taking it as transaction type. I am taking it as 100 means external asset acquisition. I am acquiring the asset from outside. So 100. Select 100. No done. No done. So this master record we created yesterday. Huh?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So okay, let me post yesterday only. Okay, so that there is no confusion. Okay. Okay, press enter. Press enter. How much I am buying this for? I am buying this for say 6 lakhs. Okay, I am buying this for 6 lakhs. Then 50. 50 which account? 50 which account? Bank account. Yeah, bank. Which account? Bank account. This. So I am buying the asset. Direct purchase without vendor. 50 bank account. Press enter and then star. That's it. So debit the asset, credit the bank. Right? Which asset I am buying? Building 1 I am buying. How much I am buying? 6 lakhs. Okay? Right. Post.
Here it's valued at 19 of
It's fine. It's fine. So now here, now I will go. Did I acquire the asset?
Yes.
Yes. So if I go to AW01N, AW01N, so values have come, you see. Previously, no value.
Once show.
Yeah. So values have come up na, here. Can you see? Values have come up, right? Asset I already acquired, right? I purchased the asset. I acquired the asset. So now if you go to posted values, you can see. So this is my asset purchase is 6 lakhs. Asset purchase 6 lakhs. Depreciation 2,300, right? Net book value at the end of the year is 590.
Sir, EPC means all purchases, sir.
Acquisition and production costs.
Okay, sir.
You remember in AO90 also we gave that acquisition and production.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Right? Yeah. Now posted values. Posted values. What is the depreciation here? If you come here, if you open this, it is showing in the 12th period there is 2301. Now you tell me why all these 11 periods are 0.
We have bought in 12th period.
Acquired in 12th period.
12th period. No, we are in March. No. So we acquired on what date? We acquired on 18th, right? Yeah. So this depreciation is from what date to what date?
18th to 31st.
Till the end
18
of this month.
Yeah, and 18 to 31st. How many days it is?
8 days.
12 days.
13
13 days.
13 days.
18, 19, 20, 18, 19,
In
20,
period control only
18,
14 days.
19, 20,
14
total
days.
of 14 days.
14.
Correct or not? So you include 18 also, no? 18, 19, 20 until 31st. So 11 plus 3, total 14, no?
14 days.
Correct.
start of the
Is that clear?
period.
Okay? Right. So now your voice is breaking. Now,
Sir, show once again F.02.
I have to buy another asset. This asset I purchased, no? Can I buy it again? No, I have to buy another one. Right? We will see. Now, so this is the AW01N. AW01N. I have shown you how the asset values are coming up. Correct? Right. Now this is the asset. One more master record we will buy. One more master. Okay, let us see. So now asset acquisition directly. Okay, we will see. Now, one more master record I want to create, guys. Building number 2. What should I do?
First AS01.
AS01. No?
Yes.
Okay, let us go to AS01. No? Can I buy directly in F-02 without creating the master record?
No.
First, I need to create master record. No?
Yeah.
Correct. So go to AS01 now. Come on.
Enter.
Next. Enter. Correct. Next.
Building 2. ZAPL building 2.
Building 2. Second building. Okay.
Capitalization
date
day.
today I will give 19th. I am buying. Okay.
Depreciation
Next
area.
depreciation also I am starting today only. Depreciation key is my
ZAP1.
ZAP1. Useful life same again 10. Depreciation start date I am giving today's date. Okay. Press send.
Sir, 1 second.
Sir, can you
Yes.
show general data also? Yes, sir.
Done.
Thank you.
Save it. When I save, what number I will get now?
20001 space 0.
1-1.
This is a main asset or
Main
sub
asset
asset?
1 dash 0, sir. 1 space 0.
110, sir.
No, you are wrong. Because already 10 I already created.
20002 space 0.
What number I am expecting?
2
2
dash
lakh
0.
space 0.
2 lakh
2 lakh.
0, sir.
2
2 space
Space
0.
0.
See, already we created this one, na? 2 lakh 10.
Yeah.
This is building 1, na?
Yes, sir.
Agree? Yeah. So this is main asset, right? Now this is also
Main asset.
main
Main
asset. So
asset.
what number I will get?
0
Any
only.
number?
0 only. Main asset is 0.
When again someone is saying 1. Where I
2
will get?
2 sub asset is 0.
So this is 2 lakh 2 main asset, right? There is no sub asset here. This is a main asset, correct?
Yes.
Correct. So let me go. Now create, save it. 2 lakh to 0. So right, we have how many main assets now?
2.
2.
2 main assets. Is that clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now I want to acquire this asset. What should I do?
F dash 02.
F-02 acquire. Give
Date,
the date today, 19th.
posting
Yeah,
is 70.
19th. Next.
70 posting.
70. Next.
Building GL
Which building I am buying now?
2.
Building number 2, 2,20,000, right? Yeah, acquire. Okay, then here I should give transaction type, na?
100.
100, correct. I'm acquiring from outside, not in-house manufactured, right? Enter. Next.
Amount
Amount, how much I am buying it for? Say I am buying it for 4
lakhs.
lakhs. Okay, then
Se-
50.
70.
70 already given. na?
Okay. Bank account 2 lakh.
Bank account, right? Press enter and star here. Is that clear?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so now we are going to acquire the second asset. Okay, save now. Save. So this acquired I have done. Post. Okay, so now if I go to AW01 and I have one more asset now. 2 lakh to 0, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this is my 2 lakh to 0. Correct? Yeah, we acquired this asset. Posted values, you can see all of them are here. This is the plan. We have not yet posted. This is the plan. Okay, right. You can go into comparisons also here, which means year-wise it will show you. So your depreciation is life is 24 to 35 na? Okay, 24 year. This is the depreciation. For how many days? For 13 days. For
Depreciation is
25
just-
year,
Depreciation amount is just showing, no, sir. It is not yet posted, no, sir.
not yet posted. Na? Here you see yellow color.
Yes, sir.
Posted means it will turn into green color.
Oh, okay.
This is planned.
At the bottom, it is there. Showing.
This is my plan for the next 10 years plan. Yeah, you
Okay.
see, my next 10 years plan is this. 25 year, 40,000, correct? 10%, na?
Correct.
26 year, 40,000. Like that next 10 years. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so then probably in 2034, December, now March 18, this asset will become 0. Is that clear? That is. Okay, so total plan. This plan is done for next 10 years plan. Year-wise plan. This is period-wise plan.
Yes, sir.
This is year-wise plan. This is period-wise plan. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. At the bottom, it is
Yeah, bottom you can see, 12th period you can see.
planned. Just status.
Sir,
Okay.
where we want to switch asset 1 to asset 2, sir? That asset number by giving.
Here. You can give manually or you can pick from the drop down.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Like this. Okay.
Sir,
2 lakh.
depreciation.
Every year, automatically it will not deduct. You have to run the depreciation for all assets. When you run the depreciation one cycle will be there. When you run it, it will post depreciation for all the assets.
For every
No,
period, we
not
need to run.
yearly.
We have we have selected monthly, so we have to run monthly.
Monthly. Generally monthly only. Okay. Yeah. Month end, we do the depreciation run, then the depreciation will be posted.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
two things. This you are showing is a posted depreciation value, book depreciation. Another one down is a depreciation. That how it's showing, sir, two in the same way.
Where it is showing?
This two. There's a two headings is showing it. Yes. How that's normally if you open it, is a one planned value book depreciation is coming. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have to go to posted values.
Okay.
Then it will show.
Okay. Then one more thing, sir. The depreciation is coming as a paisa that not rounded off. Whether we can do after this asset creation rounded off is possible.
What is coming? Rounded only, na? 0, 0 only coming.
Is for me is not rounded off. It's a paisa is coming. 14,
Then
24.
you need to go to OAYR. Na?
So now if
One
I go to the, I can do it for the already accessed asset
Yeah.
also.
Yeah. Go to OAYR rounding you do. Step number 13 you.
Okay, OAYR. Okay, sir.
OAYO.
Okay.
OAY. Okay, now let's go, guys. So asset you understood now? This is how we acquire the asset.
So one
Okay.
question, sir.
Yeah, tell.
So while creating a depreciation key, ZAP1, we have defined many methods, right? So like SLM, WDV,
Hmm.
other method also period control. So which method is it picking up when it's posting, when it's calibrating this planned depreciation?
See, first of all, we did not give many. We gave only straight line method. In the depreciation key, you cannot give two ma. Only one you can give. That is your ZAP1 key. ZAP1 key we created, but we cannot use all in one go. Correct or not? So if you go to AFAMA, your depreciation key, what is your depreciation key? ZAP1. So inside ZAP1, what you have used here? What is this?
ZA1.
Only
SLM
one you
method.
used, no? Only one you can use. You cannot say one asset I will do depreciation two ways in one depreciation key. So used which one? SLM you used. Then period control, this one you said here, see, if I give period control, then I cannot show you the number of days and all. That's why there is one option here. What is that one? You see ZAP1. Here, when I click on this, here period control depreciation to the day I take. Means what? Every day it will take into consideration. This will overrule the period control. Is that clear? Yeah. So period depreciation to the day means every day. Correct. This is important because we don't have much time. See, today I will acquire. Tomorrow I will post depreciation. Day after tomorrow I will retire the asset also. We don't have classes running for 2 to 3 years. Right. So like so month on month we cannot see. I cannot show. I cannot go back in future and post. So that's why I selected depreciation to the day. It is a day wise we can see. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right. So now, so what I said, this is this one. Okay. So I have one more acquire building 2 I acquired. Building 2 I acquired. Building. Okay. Now I want to acquire acquisition of asset on credit with vendor. Acquisition of asset on credit with vendor. Acquisition of asset on credit with vendor. Okay. Right. So first I will, this is the T code is F-90. Okay. Acquisition of asset on credit with vendor. Right. So first again here also master record has to be created, no guys? Master record I have to create, right? Yeah. So how to create master record? Tell me. Now building 3 I want to acquire on credit with vendor. Yeah.
AS02.
So first I need to create
AS0.
master record. No? Okay. So let me go AS01. Yeah. ZAPL. This is my building 3. Correct now? Yeah. Next acquisition capitalized date today. Depreciation date today. Depreciation key 1. Useful life 10. Depreciation start date I will give today. Okay. Press enter star. Now what number I will get now?
2,30,000.
2,03,000. It's a main asset or sub asset?
Main asset.
2,30,000, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Good. Got it? Good. Now, now I want to acquire on credit with vendor means I will buy the asset today, but I will pay the money later. Correct. So what I will do now? /n F-90. No, don't. Acquisition from purchase with vendor. With vendor means always on credit. No? Yeah. So give the date. Okay. Now 31. 31 means what?
Credit the vendor.
So what should I give here?
Vendor account.
Vendor account. Correct. Vendor number. Who is our vendor from whom I am buying?
79.
Yeah, whatever. Vendor 79. Yeah. Press enter. Okay, how much I am buying this for? I am buying this for on credit, no? I am buying this for say 5 lakhs. Okay, right, 5 lakhs buying. Okay, then here what should I do?
70.
70, correct, 70. 70, which asset? We created the master
2
no,
lakh,
already.
2 lakh 3.
2 lakh 3 asset, yeah? Okay, then here, how I am acquiring internally or outside? Transaction type,
Outside.
outside only, no? Right, asset we are buying from outside. Okay, give 100 here.
Sir, the first time transaction type we haven't given anything, sir, at posting key 31.
No, no, asset we give transaction type. Vendor we don't give.
Okay, sir.
That is vendor line, no? Correct? Okay, press enter. Now put star here. I am acquiring this asset on credit with vendor. Okay. Now post this. Post. So asset acquired? Yes. So I will go to AW01 and give the asset number 2 lakh 3 I can see. Correct? So asset already started using. Is asset in my company now? Is the asset in my company now? Yes. Got it? But this money did I pay?
No,
How much I have to pay to the vendor?
5 lakhs.
5 lakhs. Where I can see that open item?
FBL1 and
Vendor.
FBL.
1
See the document, if you see the document itself is, if you see slash and FB03, the document that is created is 19 document. What is 19?
payment, vendor payment.
19.
Vendor invoice.
Vendor
Invoice.
invoice, na?
Invoice.
Correct. So the document itself is a invoice document. You see, 5 lakhs. Got it. So if I go to FBL1 and there is a open item for 5 lakhs. We have to pay na 79 guy na. We have to pay how much to this 79 guy?
5
We have to
lakhs.
pay 5
5
lakhs.
lakhs.
This is open item. Correct? And if you want payment terms, you can give installment and all that will come here. Okay? If it is installment basis. Is that clear? See how my asset subledger and AP subledger, how they are connected. Correct? I am posting in the asset accounting subledger, but system updated AP subledger. See the connection between AP and asset accounting. Subledger to subledger connection. Okay. Now can you tell me my reconciliation process? Now my billings account is there. How much will be there in my billings account now?
10 lakhs.
14 lakhs, sir. 3 buildings.
3 buildings, how much we purchased?
14 lakhs. 5, 4, 5.
6, 4, 5.
15 lakhs.
4, 5, 15.
15, no?
Yes, 15
Six-
lakhs.
6 lakhs, 4 lakhs and 5 lakhs, right?
5 lakhs. Yes,
Yes,
1
so-
5.
So you
15.
go to where I should go and see?
AS tenant.
FS 10.
AS tenant.
FS
AS
10.
AW01.
It's a buildings account is what it is.
GL account.
GL
GL
account. GL account balance.
FS 10.
Sundry creditors, how you see, guys? Same way, no? FS 10.
BL1.
What is the account number? 200, right? Buildings account. Remember, we created no? Buildings. This one, no? 200. So how much I am expecting to see in the recon account?
15 lakhs.
15 lakhs.
15. Individually asset wise, you can see in AW01. 6 lakh separate, 5 lakh separate, 4 lakh separate, depreciation on that asset separate, each asset master separate in the subledger. General ledger, total assets value coming into buildings account. All buildings value coming into building account. Is that clear? Good. Understood, everybody? Yeah. So asset acquisition on credit with vendor also we have seen. Is that clear? Good. Now next one. Everybody clear, guys? Comfortable? Yes, so, yeah, Vamshi Krishna. Yeah, tell me, Vamshi. Yeah, any doubt you have? Okay, no. Right, so everybody comfortable with the asset acquisition process?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have understood monthly wise the depreciation, but posting period wise I do not understood.
You have understood?
Monthly wise depreciation before step, sir.
So okay, monthly period both are same.
Period wise all 0. 12th period was amount there is.
Okay. So, what is your doubt?
Why all was 0? Last 12th period is amount.
Because you, what is the date today?
This is 12th period.
What is the date today?
19th.
19th. Which period you are in now? 19th March.
Yes, sir. 12th period.
Then that is what it is happening. You acquired the asset in 12th period, right?
Okay.
So for this financial year, you did not acquire in April, no? You acquired in March, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
for this financial year, it will show only this much. In 24 year, last 18, no? 14 days only you acquired. Next year, full, no? 40%.
Okay, okay.
Is that clear now?
Clear, sir.
Yeah. So this
Sir,
is the
what is-
planning. This is the planning it is doing for the next 10 years life.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Sir, this and the rounding of option only, can you show 1 second, sir?
See,
That
that is
rounding of arithmetic or we
whatever.
also,
OAYO,
yes.
OAYO, you go. What is your company code? ZAPL. Select this rounding specifications, book depreciation, arithmetic. This is one.
Okay.
First one, automatic and arithmetic.
Arithmetic. Both
one
this
is-
is.
yeah.
So this arithmetic automatically it will come rounded to the next rupee. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Right.
have-
Yes, tell.
sir, while creating depreciation key, we have given periodic methods. There we posted 01 start. Depreciation starts from start of the period.
Correct.
But here, while calculating depreciation in AW01, it's showing from the date of acquisition.
Correct. So here, because we in the depreciation key, we selected one option, AFMA. That is one option is this one. I was telling before also. This is my ZAP1. ZAP1. When I open this, I selected depreciation to the day. Means every day I will take it separate. So this will overrule the period control. If I don't take this, then period control. If I take this, then to the day. You do to the day only because you don't have time. You understand? You cannot come back next month and do the other transactions. That is the problem. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
You take this. If you don't take, then period control will take over. Okay. Yeah. So day wise only we are calculating. Yeah. Good. So everybody
sir,
clear? Yeah.
Can you repeat vendor credit acquisition of asset, please? Only like F90.
Okay. What I will do now, sub assets I will buy. There it is the same process. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Here we'll mention posting keys also, no, sir, for purchase with vendor. We shop.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah. So acquisition, write down. Put the heading. Acquisition of sub asset. Yeah. Without vendor. Directly without vendor. Yeah. Okay. So the T code is F-02, right? Okay. First, we need to create the sub asset. Create the sub asset. So I'm creating a sub asset under first building. Yeah. So the T code is AS11. Main asset T code is AS01.
Yeah.
Sub asset T code is AS double. Okay, now let us go. So go to AS double one. Yeah, I'm creating the sub-asset master record, AS double. Now, which main asset I am creating?
2 lakh
2 lakh.
1.
2 lakh 1.
One. See, when I am creating asset master, system will ask the asset class. When I am creating the asset master, system will ask the asset class. But when I am creating the sub-asset, system will ask the main asset.
Minus.
See, you see? See, when I am creating the main asset, that is AS01, system is asking asset class. But when I am creating the sub-asset, no, system asking main asset. Which asset you are creating? Yeah. Okay. Under this main asset, I am creating. Okay. Press enter. So this is building one, sub-asset,
So that's 1.
sub-asset one. Correct? Okay. Capitalized date, I am giving today. Depreciation key, I can give a different key now.
Sir,
I can create. Yes.
general date. General date.
AS11, yeah. Give the main asset, press enter. Yeah, building one, sub-asset one. Then capitalized date today. Okay. Right. Okay. Now next what I do, guys? Next I go to
Depreciation.
depreciation areas. Depreciation key, I can give a different key. 15% depreciation, 20% I can give. Then my sub-asset will have depreciation rate different. Correct? Yeah. So I'm giving same. No problem. Depreciation start date is today.
Nice.
Okay. So now save it. So what number I will get for this sub-asset?
2 lakh 1 of
2
1.
lakh 1.
2 lakh 1
1.
space 1.
1.
The system already allocated, you see. See on the top. Yeah, save it. So 2 lakh 1 create. So asset with sub number 1 was created. This is sub asset or main asset?
Sub-asset.
Now I want to acquire this, acquire this without vendor. Yeah. Tell me, how do I acquire?
F dash.
F dash.
F
02.
dash
02.
02. Correct? Come on. Yeah. So this I want to acquire.
Date, today date,
Date,
19.
today's date. Yeah. Next.
Posting is 70.
I think he's 70.
70. Correct. Next.
2 lakh 1 of 1.
Count 2 lakh 1 space 1.
2 lakh 1
Asset
space 1.
1.
Sub asset. No?
Yes.
Correct. Okay. Next.
Transaction type.
100 transaction. Correct? No? Okay. Press enter. Next.
Amount. How much we want.
I am buying it for 3 lakhs. Okay. 3 lakhs.
Posting
Next.
key 50.
50 and then
Bank
2 lakh.
account 2 lakh.
direct purchase. No? Enter.
Star.
Star. That's it.
Check.
So this is acquisition without vendor, direct purchase, no, post of sub asset. So if I go now, go to AW01N, it will show me no sub asset directly like this. It will show. Is that clear? This is the way we see. Got it? Yeah. Right. So this is for the sub asset. Same way it will show. This is the main asset. You see, main asset separate. Main asset separate, sub asset separate. Correct? This is a sub asset. Got it? Yeah. Now I want to acquire another sub asset on credit with vendor. Yeah, acquisition of sub asset on credit with vendor. What is the T code? F-90. Yeah, no. Acquisition of subasset on credit with vendor. So first I need to create the subasset, no?
So,
Right. What is the T code?
AS11.
yes, double
Double
one.
one.
AS11, yeah. Okay, so let me go now. Let me go. Go to /n AS double. Second main asset, no? Second main asset, yeah. Present. So building to subasset
One.
subasset 1. Subasset 1 of building. Is that clear? Yeah. 90. Depreciation areas. Depreciation key I can give differently or same also. Right. This is another subasset. First subasset under second main
Well,
asset. Correct now, guys? Save.
One,
Done.
sir.
Yeah. Good. So this is the 5th master record I am creating. Correct now, guys? Any difference? 5th master record na? Already I created today. 5 master records I created. Correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Now I want to acquire this asset. What should I do?
F
F
dash
dash 90.
90.
Acquire on credit with vendor, right? F dash
Yes.
90. Yeah. Tell me now what I should do.
Date.
Document number.
Date I will give. Next.
Account.
Vendor.
Vendor account.
Here I should give vendor account. No?
29.
Correct. Vendor account I will give. Present vendor is this vendor. Okay. Good. Next.
Enter.
Transaction type.
Transaction type we don't give
Must-
here.
So,
Vendor.
enter.
Transaction type we go only give for asset related transactions. Okay. Now press enter. How much I am buying this for? 2 lakhs. Next.
Posting key.
Posting key 70.
70.
70. Correct. 70.
2
Which
lakh.
asset?
2 lakh 2
Subasset.
of 1.
2 lakh 2 of 1.
Lakh 2 1. This one. Sub asset 1 of building 2, right? Yeah. 2 lakh 2. Then here
Transaction key type.
100. Got it? Yeah. Press enter and start.
Start.
Correct now?
Post.
Save. So total how many assets I have now?
5.
5 assets. I have. So if I go to AW01 and all I can see. All the assets now one by one you can see. Total 5 assets you can see. Building 1 sub-asset, building 2 sub-asset, building 3 sub-asset is not there. Is that correct? Yeah.
Yes.
Good. Next. Right. Okay, so asset acquisition we have seen. Yeah, asset master we created, sub-asset master we created, asset acquisition we have seen. Now, next thing that we have is the depreciation posting. Okay. Yeah, put the
Sir, in
heading.
FS10N, the subassets also into the main GL, right?
So what is the total values now?
20 lakhs.
15 plus
3 plus 2.
yeah.
3 plus 2.
So it should be 15, 20, right? Yeah, we can check FS10N. We can check our buildings asset account. So how much is coming here? 20.
2 million.
So all are under this particular GL account. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
Sir,
Yeah, tell.
can you go to AS03 and display subset? How to search that number?
Display
Okay,
sub.
sub number. Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks.
Right. So now Okay, so next we will talk about the depreciation, how to post the depreciation. Yeah. Okay. We have not posted, we have to post. Only planning is done. Na? Depreciation monthly, you have to post. Correct. Yeah. So depreciation posting. Put the heading depreciation post. Okay, post. That is your the T code is AFAB. So every period we do period end, we do the depreciation run with depreciation run with. Okay. Yeah, that is the depreciation posting run. Posting run we call it. Okay. Yeah. AFAB. Right. Okay, so I will show you now depreciation run I will show you. So I will now here you see. So I will go to slash and AFAB. So here we have depreciation posting period. Which period I am doing? 12th period I am doing. Okay, there are options are there. I will discuss this tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, there are options are there. I will discuss this tomorrow. Okay. So now, okay. So now let me select this list assets. It will show like this. You see now. Execute. Do you want to continue? Yes. Now you can see there are so many assets are there. Correct? So this is my plan period, no? Plan 1 month. This is for this month, no? All the 5 assets. This is the depreciation. Amount posted means till now how much already posted. We did not post anything, no? Yeah. Amount to be posted is this month. Cumulative amount means you will add up. Amount posted plus amount to be posted. We call it as cumulative. Okay.
So is it calculating for all the asset at once, sir?
All the assets only it will do. You can see there are thousands of assets. Every asset you don't post. You do depreciation run for the company code.
Okay.
You don't do depreciation run for an asset. Okay. Yeah. So depreciation run is for full company code. You see company code period wise. That's it. When you do all the assets, it will pick up according. Okay. Right. So when you click on this, it will. Okay. So here you have to click list assets, then it will show you correct. Got it? Yes. So what happens actually is every month, first month, na? Okay, January, it will come here. Then January will go here. February will come, right? Amount posted January, February. So then total, January plus February will come here. Then year end total, this total will be equal to this total. Is that clear? That is what will happen.
Sir, if any error comes,
What error will come?
below test run completed successfully is there, right, sir? It will come yellow warning with errors.
Yeah, if it comes, then it will not allow you to post. Na?
Yes, sir. Can you please create an situation like that and explain?
It will come, na? Many errors will come.
Yes.
See here now itself, I will show you. Exit. Yeah. Yeah. Error.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. What is error here? It is telling you, according to posting cycle, you should post period of 1 next. Okay. Right. So what is this? Here we have options. planned posting run, repeat run, restart run, unplanned run. Correct? So we need to, whenever we are getting the error, we need to evaluate. You have to click on this error button, what it is telling you. You need to evaluate what is this, and we need to solve the. Okay, so you cannot post in the period specified, like that it is telling. So what is this one? We have options here. What options? Planned, repeat, restart, unplanned. See, planned, when you can use, when you want to post the depreciation periodically, one by one, systematically. No? So for the year, period 1, I will post first, then I will go to period 2, then period 3, period 4, like that. If I want to go period wise, I will select this. Right? So January, so period wise, no? So first April month, no? Period 1, May month, period 2, like that. If I do period wise systematically, then I can select this. But if I want to do suddenly 11 periods I have not done, directly I want to do 12th period means, then you have to select unplanned. Okay, for 1 month you can do unplanned. Next month onwards you can go for planned. Okay. So if you want to do in the middle of the financial year, suddenly you want to do, then you have to select unplanned post.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
One more question, sir. Other than this T code, do we have any T code that this much is the planned depreciation for this month and previous month? And
No. This is asset reports will be there. You are talking user side. User side always reports will be there. No? Asset wise reports will be. You have to go there and then you check financial accounting. You have fixed assets in that, asset related periodic reports. So much information is available. You see this? Reports on asset accounting, individual assets, asset balances, everything. This is another world. It's user side. Correct?
yes, but what's happening, sir? Like when I'm posting depreciation, so value will come 100 for this month. My client says no, it is 120. 20 is missing. Check and post it correctly.
How does he know 120 is correct?
So that's why I'm asking, is there any like?
That is what he is looking at these reports.
Yes,
then we can see what is his expectation, what he wants. So no. So maybe somewhere, period wise, type of depreciation or rate, some problem is coming. This will see the what is in the depreciation key, that effect you can see here.
Okay.
Correct or not? Yeah.
Yeah.
So because we maintain depreciation key, we maintain methods, start date of the depreciation, that effect you are able to see here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the asset acquisited in the middle of the year, suppose period 5 or 6, so far not run the depreciation, unplanned if you select it on the 12th period, every month it will post it, or the 12th month total depreciation will be posted now.
See, understand, it's a company.
Yes, normally, so no, just is
no.
hypothetical question only, sir.
No hypothesis, unrealistic things, we don't waste time. Yeah. What is possible in real life, that only we discuss. Okay. See, one big company is there. They have a finance department, 500 people are there. Total company is a big company. It is running on SAP. They have financial closing is there. Correct or not? P&L balance sheet period wise they have to prepare. Correct or not? Everything happens in a systematic process. No? So there is a asset acquired means asset master record created. Then month end depreciation cycle will run. So there is a checklist will be there. They go through the checklist, right? It's not like I am using the asset last 6 months. Nobody knows the asset is there in the company. We are using it. Nobody realizes it. Suddenly after 6 months we wake up. Oh, this asset we purchased. We don't have a transaction in our accounts. Does it happen like that?
You're right, sir. But suppose the asset is adding the asset is missed out in the later only they are backdated.
System will permit only 1 month. It will permit.
Okay.
If you miss any asset in the last period, you can do in the next period. Right? Only 1 month it will permit. After that, it will not permit. Okay, depreciation. Whenever you do the depreciation, you cannot post backdated. It's a time wise it is. If I'm doing in March means March over means over. I cannot go back to January and do something. Okay.
So the backdated asset is possible. Suppose the backdated asset added it, what will happen?
What will happen? Yeah, it will take. But what you are talking is unrealistic.
Okay.
Because in the companies, I will not say, no, last year I acquired, today I realized.
No, 1 month before backdated. Suppose 1 month before there's supposed to be in February asset to be added it, but
Yeah,
some
one
ways
month chance it will give.
asset is not
1 month we have a
it's
repeat option. We can use repeat option in AFAB. This is only for 1 month. You cannot do for many months.
Okay.
Yeah, only 1 month it will permit. That is more than enough, because by the time you realize, within 1 month, if you are not realizing, means we are not eligible to run the company.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's 1 month. Suppose a month closing time, this asset is not capitalized sometimes.
Capitalized. So then next month, that's why they have a repeat option that is available for only 1 month.
Okay.
Only 1 month. Next month, it will allow to repeat. But you cannot say few months have passed, I don't have an idea, right? That is
I didn't mean it that a few months. Suppose 1 month at the again month closing times missed out something. That's what.
Yes. That is a repeat you can.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, right?
Sir,
Yeah.
one quick question, sir.
Sorry.
Sir. So if the company purchases a machinery, if it is not installed or not put to use, we still do post the depreciation for that machinery, sir.
If it is, that is what the depreciation date calculation, whatever you want to mention, if you give that for that asset, it will pick up from that date.
Oh,
in the asset master,
we are installed or not yet put to use. That's the reason I want.
Yeah, so in the asset master, you are maintaining
Yes, sir.
that date, whatever you maintain, from that date, it will pick up.
Oh, okay, sir. Got it.
Yeah, okay. So, okay, guys, we'll stop here for today. Tomorrow, I will do the depreciation runs. Okay?
Yes.
We'll
Yes.
no. Okay, guys, thank you. Then we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.